Put a cloth on your broom, and you will be surprised by the result. Let's start mixing for the use of this tip. Using 2 tablespoons of fabric softener. You can choose the one of your choice. Next, we will also use 3 tablespoons of detergent. Being an indispensable item for facilitating the removal of fat. And to finish, we will also use 200 milliliters of vinegar, only with these 3 ingredients, and you can easily get a great mixture. To perform cleaning in hard-to-reach places, the ideal is to mix these ingredients well until it has the desired consistency for use. The ideal is also to use a spray bottle, being perfect to control the amount of use and also facilitate storage. So let's book our mix. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Maria Nagata from Athens. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To facilitate cleaning here, we will use a cloth. We will also use a broom, being the main item. To reach the hard-to-reach parts of your home, let's totally cover the broom with the cloth to prevent it from loosening during use. I will also use cloth S-bands, thus keeping the prisoner and managing to use without difficulties. This tip is ideal for cleaning air conditioning, wall and ceiling. Some places outside your home can also be cleaned easily using this way. The ideal is also the use of the mixture directly on the cloth, and the amount we prepare is enough for several cleanings. My friends and family were surprised to use this tip, and they did not even imagine that I used only 3 ingredients for the mixture of this tip, and that performed the cleaning so easy and fast. For external cleaning of the air conditioning is very simple. I can easily reach, avoiding even accidents, without the need to use stairs or chairs to climb and perform cleaning. Even this outer wall of my house managed to remove the dirt. It is very easy. If necessary, we only apply a larger amount of the product to ensure the removal of all dirt. Tell me later if you got the desired result for this tip. I'm sure you will be impressed with the ease and action of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.